Hi, it's Kathleen, and today we're going to combine two of my very favorite things in the entire world, being physically comfortable and Halloween, through the power of needle felting. We're going to head to the thrift store, I'm going to pick up some cozy sweaters, and then we're going to make them spooky with felt appliques. So let's head to the thrift store and we can talk a little bit more there about what I'm thinking. Let's go. I pulled a thrifting oopsie. Yesterday I took a couple things to the thrift store, including a white pair of tennis shoes that didn't fit. And as I was leaving to come here today, I realized that I didn't donate a white pair of tennis shoes. I donated one of each of a pair of two different white tennis shoes, one of which I like very much. So I'm gonna reunite the two pairs and hopefully someone enjoys my tennis shoes. Maybe I can snipe them before someone else does. Has this ever happened to you? Never happened to me before. Okay, let's go. We're in the sweaters, and here's my plan. We're gonna find a cozy sweater, hopefully something like very soft, kind of like this, and we're gonna add maybe like a spooky little spider web to it, or a pumpkin face, or a skeleton, I don't know. I really like this color, feels very Halloween-y. It's pretty soft. I'm not sure how needle felting will do with like the cable knit, but it's an option. Also, sweaters aren't the only cozy things. We could do like a scarf. I was thinking even a bag would be fun. This is already felt, and I don't love the color palette, so maybe we could jazz it up a little bit, make it a better fit for our aesthetic. Okay, let's keep looking. I think this is perfect. This is so cute too though. It's much more of a Halloween-y color. Got the goods. So soft. I was driving home and then I saw a garage sale, so we stopped. Garage sale dog, garage sale dog, garage sale dog. Hi, Gideon. Do you want to come shop with me? Let's go, come on. Show me your best stuff. Are you ready to rumble? I am. Alright, here's the official haul. This was like the first thing I saw when I walked into the thrift store. It was in the wrong aisle. A little Topshop cropped v-neck sweater. And then I actually picked this up a couple weeks ago when I first had the idea for this video. It's just your classic crew neck, black knitted sweater. So here's the plan. We're gonna start with our white sweater. This is the main character of our story arc. And then if we can get to the other two, we get to the other two. No promises though. So let me put this on and I'll tell you what I'm thinking. Okay. Oh my gosh, don't move. There's a bee buzzing around your head.
Where's the bee?
There's a bee? Okay, you're safe. Here's my plan. I want to turn this beautiful white angelic sweater into a cobwebby masterpiece. Maybe almost creating like a collar out of cobwebs. But I don't want to just use black. I want to use like rainbow colored felt. I feel like that'd be a little bit more fun. And I like this more dainty design because one, it's going to go really quickly, and two, actually that's the only reason, it's just going to go quickly. So let's get started. We'll see how in over my head I am, and then we'll go from there. Get a load of this guy. Oh, you know, just laying in some leaves. I'm so angry right now. Also, you're sitting under my computer and you look very cute under there. Don't stop distracting me. I'm mad. So I was sketching what spiderweb design I wanted to put on my little sweater. Took a little picture of it, was making a little mock-up, doing my due diligence. And as I was sketching, I was like, hey, I wonder if there are examples of spiderweb embroidery online. Let me just do a quick little Google. Look at the first thing that popped up. Is that not almost identical to my sketch? Why? This is why we can't have nice things. Now I want to do the same design just out of spite. Mine's gonna look way better. Here we've got my trusty tote bag filled with rice, aka my stab pad, and then two tools that I love very much. There's one needle felting tool with a bunch of needles in it. We call him Big Daddy. Don't get on his bad side. And then a more finessed tool, a little dainty number with only 3 needles, or 2 needles because I broke one, and we'll probably break more. And we have what you could consider the star of the show, the wool roving. That I think I am allergic to, but beauty is pain, baby. Beauty is pain. Yoo-hoo! I have a question for you. So, this sweater has this kind of cool little like V fold right here. So I'm wondering, should I bring the spider web all the way up or just stop it right here and let this be its own thing? Maybe, just maybe, I'll leave it be and let it be its own thing, and then at the end, if it looks weird, we can just add little, I'm drooling, pieces to finish it off. Why am I out of breath? Okay, I guess I didn't need your opinion. Sorry. No! Oh. Needle check. And then there was one. At least I didn't lose it inside the pillow. It's sticking out. On guard. As much as I'd like to pretend that I'm chaotic enough or confident enough that I can complete this project with this one remaining needle, I am gonna go ahead and order some more. I'm silly, but not stupid, you know?
Hi, are you there?
I am.
Hi, so sorry for the wait. So it looks like we don't have those in stock.
Oh no!
I found the one place in all of Columbus that has the tool I need, and of course it's the one that I have a gift card to. Thanks, Dad, from last Christmas. I got my tortilla and my huge tea for the road. I'm not feral, you're feral. Let's go. Got it. Wait, these needles are broken. I mean, I might as well get some other stuff since I'm here. Art supply haul. So, got a replacement for our needle felting tool. I wish that you could just get replacements for this. They had replacement needles there, but not for this tool specifically, but maybe I can hack it. We have said replacement needles for this tool, the Big Stabby, the Big Daddy Stabby. And then I've been seeing these TikToks of artists using big pieces of compressed charcoal, or not charcoal, graphite. I'll see if I can find one. Makes this type of art. And it just looks really fun and relaxing, so I wanted to try it. Got a big brick of this, and then some little bricks of that. Thank goodness for my gift card, because all of that was like $45. How's a starving artist supposed to survive with those kind of prices, huh? All right, let's head home, get back to work. Also, this video, I was supposed to finish the felting and then do all the editing and post it tomorrow morning. I don't think that's realistic. So this is probably gonna go up on Monday. I hope y'all will understand. The output will be better and I'll be a happier person for it. It's a win-win situation. So let's get out of here. You want to see me drink this tea like a toddler? Ah! So you didn't see me drink it like a toddler, but you did almost see me get my teeth knocked out. Good morning, Jelly. Say good morning. Do you want to see my progress? Okay. Can you even believe it? I'm flabbergasted. This is turning out way cuter than I thought it would. I'm so glad I found this sweater. It is perfect, and I think I decided that I'm gonna leave the collars blank and just let the cobweb be the cobweb. And speaking of spiders, hello, Mr. Spider. He's not done yet, don't judge him. And he's gonna have a little piece of web holding him to the spider web. This is my first time putting it on since I started the spider, and I kind of thought that it was going to be further down the arm. It's kind of like right at my elbow, but that's kind of cute, like a little elbow patch. And maybe I'll like put one, oh, I just saw a section that I forgot to do. I'm glad I tried this on. So while I finish up this, I want to ask y'all about the black sweater that I plan on felting. I'm going to post on Instagram and probably YouTube too, a little poll about what word I should put on the front of this, because I am going to be giving this away when it's done. The black one. But that means I have to make mock-ups, so let's do that. Okay, I put a poll on my community page and on Instagram, and of course I went way too hard and actually made like a Photoshop template because graphic design is my passion. Anyways, here's the poll. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram and partake in polls in the future, you can do that at kathleenillustrated. Okay, let's finish the white sweater while we wait. Okay, we're back. I gave it a little bit of time, went grocery shopping, filled a grocery cart to the brim with pumpkins, and now let's see what the people want. Starting with Instagram. All right, looks like jack-o'-lantern is the winner. Very nice. And then we'll check a YouTube. Boo, 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 both pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. One on the front and one on the back, maybe? Dana. Good idea. Pumpkin. Okay, I think pumpkin is beating boo by literally 1. But since it was such a blowout on Instagram, I guess we're going for pumpkin. This will be the second pumpkin shirt that I've made in the last 3 weeks, 4 weeks. And I'm not mad about it. And it seems like y'all aren't either. So let's get to stabbing, baby. Here's the sweater we're working with. I think it's a small, although it could probably fit a medium comfortably. I'm more of a medium. And now I just need to kind of figure out where to put the eyeballs in the mouth and go from there.
Hey, listen! Hey, hey, listen! Hey, hey, listen! Hey, hey, listen!
I think I made the eyes too small. That's a big mouth. I love it very much. All right, let's do the outro. And it was at that moment that she realized that she did not turn on her wireless mic. Hi, I'm dumb. But you know what's not dumb? This sweater. I am still mad that Shein and I both had the same idea, but mine's way better. The beautiful thing about YouTube is that it really just prompts me to make the silly ideas that pop into my head, and I'm very thankful for that. And we can't forget our pumpkin face sweater that one of you is going to win, if you want it. As a reminder, here's how you enter the giveaway. You gotta subscribe to my channel, and then comment down below that you would like the sweater, and also leave your email address, or your Instagram handle, or some way of getting a hold of you, not your phone number, so that I can reach out if you win. I will be picking a winner in 1 week, so make sure you subscribe so you get notified, and you can check out my video next week as well. Speaking of that video, it's my birthday next week. And I think I'm gonna just treat myself to a big old thrift trip. I know, big surprise. But hopefully we can find some things that'll help me close out my 20s in style. Yeah, that's right. I'm old now. So until then, feel free to check out last week's video if you haven't seen it already, or maybe my Thrifty Finds playlist. Don't forget to comment down below if you want to win the jack-o'-lantern sweater, and also if you made a sweater with this technique, what would you want on the front? Doesn't have to be Halloween specific. Let me know. I'm gonna say bye for now. I hope you have a great week. I'll see you next week for a little birthday celebration. Just you and me. It's gonna be so fun, and I love you. Okay, bye.